What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're to go over Internet Computer, or ICP, which is up 3% at $8.03. We have a $3.8 billion market cap with 473 million coins in circulation out of an infinite max supply. The all-time high in this was 3 years ago at $700, which was the initial coin launched during last bull run. All-time low was about a year ago at 287. This coin is currently available on the following exchanges. Quite a few exchanges. You got 18 different pages down here, so if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ICP. All right, everybody, let's get into ICP. ICP, obviously that $700. Well, actually, this says 2,847 when it came out on Binance. That's insane. Then we've seen a retracement since then. So we're kind of going to ignore that. Obviously, this is the bear market, which nobody had a good time in. And right now, we're actually consolidating pretty dang well here for October 27th. If you look at the indicator on 1 second. If we look at the indicators here, such as the MACD, let's get this all set up. Indicators here, such as the MACD is actually getting ready to cross over bullish here from the bearish side of the spectrum. You can see we had a bearish, bullish. We're almost crossed over bullish here, and we're nearing a peak of a pennant here. What I mean by that is if we draw our downtrend here for ICP, we have a downtrend, and then we have our slight uptrend resistance area, which actually goes all the way back to September of 2023, and we're nearing the peak of it. We're nearing the convergence area. And normally when you get consolidated very tightly like this, you either have a large movement to the upside or to the downside. And the way that the market's looking with BTC breaking 70,000, there's a good chance that this is going to be starting to go to the upside. What I like to think about is a spring. Think of this like a spring. You get all coiled up here, you have all that pent up energy getting squeezed out. Then once you break your downtrend, all that gets released either to the upside or downside. But I think this is going to be heading to the upside. We're going to do a little bit more TA to verify that. Now, on top of that, we'll look at the RSI. The RSI is pretty stagnant too, showing consolidation, which we just talked about at the peak of the pennant right here. Same with the WTX. We're consolidating right here. So we're gearing up for something here for ICP. At least, it looks like the peak of the pennant, the latest that will ride this out to the peak, it looks like about November 8th to 9th. So we're either gonna have a movement before then, because it never just consolidates like that. We never go through a pennant like this. We either see a nice explosive movement to the upside or downside. So we're nearing that, guys. It is the 29th of October. The peak is around the 9th. So it's gonna happen on or before the 9th of November, I would have to assume. On top of that, if we do our fibs from the high to the low right here, this is the area of confluence we have to break is $9.60. So if we did happen to break this downtrend right here, what we'd have to focus on is the break of the 618 and putting in a higher high. That would be the confirmation of that reversal to the upside, and then ICP can start seeing a very nice rally, probably one that it hasn't seen since last year of 2023. But we're not extremely bullish on it. Yes, it's bullish to break out of the pennant, but we're not extremely bullish on it until we break that 618. So if we see a break to the upside, don't go hollering to the moon yet. You want to see that $9.80 break, and then once that happens, that's when ICP is going to start moving very quickly. Now, if we look at the short-term time frame, we might get a little bit more details on the price action here on our intraday movement, which right now we're actually looking pretty good. We're starting to head up to the top of that pennant right here. The MACD is bullish right now with the RSI tailing up and the WTX tailing up. So there's two different situations here. I mean, if we just reset this downtrend right here and go off the short term right now, what we could kind of be looking for is another pennant within that, which you can draw pennants inside of pennants all day. And what we're kind of looking for here for ICP on the short term could be a slight correction on the intraday, so something like this, and then a rally to the upside. So short term, you're still going to experience some consolidation. I think it's going to last till the end of October, beginning of November, and then beginning of October, beginning of November, we'll see a movement up to around that 975, which is the 618, and then that is the area to keep an eye on. So ICP, in my personal opinion, is gearing up for a move. So get ready and hold on and make sure you have your moon suits dusted off, because this thing is looking pretty promising. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.